What do blowtorches and cookie cutters have in common? They could be used to make Christmas ornaments. It's really simple, actually. I'm just taking these pieces of wood that I got 3 for $1 at my local craft store and putting cookie cutters on top that I got a set of small ones that would fit on here for less than $5 at the same craft store, and putting those on top and using a blowtorch to scorch the outside, kind of like you would with a wood burning effect. So here we go. Christmas tree. Funny looking candy cane. Snowman. Not snowman. So at least on first pass, I think the Christmas tree really came out the best. I'm sure I could probably do the candy cane a lot better than that. And I think the snowman, the stocking will look good if we paint them. Christmas tree definitely is the winner on that one. Goggles and gloves are your friend. Snowflake. Candy cane. I'm gonna try and see what it looks like if we do just the inside. Christmas tree. Oh, it's not, doesn't look too bad. So you actually do these from the inside too. They're just a little bit harder and to really get the edges, but they actually turn out really well depending upon the style that you pick. So this is what they look like if you burn the inside. Now we're just going to drill some holes in the top and put this one at an angle. So I went ahead and painted them with some acrylic paints, and I have to say they turned out really good. So here's a look at some of the finished products. We got some of the trees, which are able to paint over a little bit of where the burns didn't come out so great. And snowflakes. Really like how that one showed up. Candy cane, and then you can go ahead and just get some ribbon. I've got to go out and get some better ribbon, but just go get ahead get some ribbon and tie it off, and you've got some custom burnt cookie cutter ornaments to give out to family and friends. Well, thanks for watching. I hope it gave you some great ideas, and I hope you find time for your projects. Until next time, Merry Christmas.